On today's episode, Dad messes up counting.
I don't know why you would go A2. I'm just an idiot.
May have added too much spice.
One more taste. Whoa!
And breaks out an obscure 80s movie reference.
Doctor.
Who got this? Dad got this.
What's up, DGT Alliance? We are here for a very special video with our friends over at the Kitchen Queers and a bunch of other great channels. This is one of those video collaborations that I've done. I've done a couple of them with them, and a whole bunch of us creators get together and we do something special, and we use a hashtag to link all the videos together so you can see all the cool, fun stuff that everybody's doing really easily. This collaboration's hashtag is the hashtag fireworks food 20 something something. Man, could we make the hashtags a little smaller? You guys are making these things a mouthful, man. But I'll flash it down on the bottom of the screen there somewhere. The whole thing about this video is going to be, it's 4th of July coming up, like the most American of American holidays. And like you, I'm going to be stuck at home here by myself with my family. That's what most people are kind of doing. But Dad wanted to make something special for the 4th of July. And I'm going to make the most American of foods, chicken wings. But I'm going to mix it up and I'm going to do them Korean fried chicken style. Korean fried chicken is this craze that's taken over, and it's just this sweet, sticky sauce. And normally, the way you do Korean fried chicken is they're double fried. So double the fat and nastiness of frying. But that's how you get them super crispy. We're gonna do a trick to crispy them up in the air fryer using my Mealthy crisp lid and using some cornstarch. It's a cool little trick to get you ultra crispy, either air fried or baked wings. This is a pretty simple recipe. There's not a whole lot that you really need to do to get these things going. The first thing you need is chicken wings. I've got about 2 pounds of chicken wings that I've cut into flaps and drums. We're gonna wanna dust them in a coating of garlic powder and onion powder and salt to taste. So Dad has his garlic powder, onion powder in his little mixer here. And to make it easy, let me go get a sheet pan. All right, we're gonna just take our wings and we're gonna just dust them with the garlic powder, onion powder. And when I say salt to taste, it really means as much salt as you like. I'm keeping it really light, not a lot of salt, because there's a kind of very salty sauce that goes with these. So just a sprinkling of salt, and then we're gonna flip them. And repeat. Sprinkle salt. And I'm just gonna run them around here on this pan and pick up all that garlic powder and onion powder. Because Dad's air fryer is not super huge, I gotta do these in batches. I'm gonna pull some of these out so that way we can cornstarch them up and get them ready to go in the air fryer. You don't wanna cornstarch them and let them sit. You wanna kinda cornstarch them and get them in the fryer. For demonstration purposes, we'll just do 5 wings. I removed the garlic powder, onion powder from my little shaker because I'm gonna use that shaker for my cornstarch. You just wanna dust them nicely and get them nice and coated. Almost as if you were using it as a very light breading all over, and roll it in there because you don't want a lot of excess. You don't want them powdery with like clumps of the cornstarch on there, but you want the cornstarch all over. There's something about the cornstarch and the chemical reaction it has that's gonna make these things like uber crispy. Crispy. Let's pull our crisp lid. This is the basket that comes with the crisp lid. And Dad wants to really, like I said, shake them off, but have a nice coating. Perfect. And 5 wings was good for my guy. You could totally bake these in the oven. I'll throw the baking time down in the recipe also if you don't have an air fryer. I've done these before I had an air fryer, and I would just do baked wings this way, and they come out super crispy and super good. And you could do them all in the sheet pan and not have to worry about doing batches. Here's Dad's trick for getting air fried food to taste fried. Buy an oil mister. These are pretty cheap on Amazon, $8 or something like that. And they mist the oil very finely. You don't end up using a lot of oil, but it ends up adding a little bit of that fried food taste to your food, and they crisp up a little better. So we're just gonna go ahead and mist these with oil. Mister, Doctor, Doctor. If you know what that's from, let me know in the comments. The doctor, not the mister. That's it. A couple little sprays. We're gonna set this to 400 degrees, and we're gonna set it for 10 minutes because we're gonna do 30 minutes, but we're gonna flip every 10. I love the freaking glow that happens with this crisp lid and the fact that I can really see the food as it's going. It's awesome. Why Korean fried chicken has caught on is because it's A, super crispy, and 2, it has like this sweet, spicy sauce. I don't know why you would go A, 2. I'm just an idiot, but that's the way I did it. A and 2, or 1 and B, whatever you want to do, is the sauce. And to make the sauce, it's like everything else in this recipe. Like everything else in this recipe, it's pretty easy. We've got honey. I'll put the exact amounts in the description below. It'll also be on dadgotthis.com for you to download as a real recipe. Soy sauce, brown sugar, minced garlic, minced or grated ginger, sesame oil. And this is the same stuff that I use to make my kimchi cucumbers and I make my kimchi with. It's called gochujang. It is a Korean spicy pepper sauce. You can buy it in different ways. You can buy a powder. I couldn't find the powder. I went to the Asian store. No powder available. None at all. So I found the sauce version. And it's worked well in the recipes that I've used. So I'm just substituting sauce for powder, and you can adjust the heat. This one's not super spicy, which is nice. Even the wife likes this one. So we got a bunch of that. And you just want to mix this up nicely till it's all nice and combined. This is another salt to taste scenario. Ooh. It's got some heat. One more taste. I can already tell I'm gonna need to make it. Whoa! Whoa! Man, I can already tell I'm gonna have to make a second sauce with much less of the spice, less ginger, and less of the gochujang for the wife. Wow, that's got some dad kick. That's oh yeah. Woo! It's delicious though. Now we just wait on the wings. Somebody is still in her pajamas. The first 10 minutes is up. And you can already see we're getting some crisping. So we're gonna flip, we're gonna spritz. Go another 10. All right, the second 10-minute cook is up. Oh man, these are getting crispy. We're gonna rotate them. And they've already got a good coating of oil on them. They don't need another misting. So I think we're good on here. I do want to do a check. I want to know what temp they're at. These are technically already cooked. They're way over like 170, which means that they're pretty much ready to eat. We're gonna give them a few more minutes on this last side to get the final crisp. But at 400, it looks like 20 cooked them. So we're only gonna go for 5 minutes. I'm all right. Don't nobody worry about me. It's my Caddyshack gopher dance. These suckers are done. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can hear that. That is crispiness, buddy. These look fantastic. The last step to this entire process is to sauce the wings. So you take a wing, or as many as you want, some sauce. We'll do all of them. And then the final touch,
Some roasted sesame seeds.
air fried, Korean fried chicken wings for the hashtag Fireworks of Food 2020 video collaboration. These things look awesome. Let me go take some quick photos and then I'll come back and I'm gonna try one of these for you guys because I can't not do that right now. These look too good. That is a fantastic chicken wing. It's crispy. It's got a sweet, tangy spice to it. The sesame seeds add like this little crunch to it. Amazing. These are legitimately my new favorite chicken wing in the world. And that's pretty high praise because Dad likes himself some chicken wings. So that does it for today's video. The hashtag Fireworks of Food Fandango Thingamabob celebration. Bam, America! Yay! Okay, let's do it. It's the best in the world. What? Something 2020 celebration. If the Kitchen Queer group could maybe come up with a little bit shorter hashtags for Dad, because Dad's a mumble mouth and I fumble through things, that would be appreciated for the next ones. But go check out all the other videos in this Fireworks of Food 2020 celebration. That's probably not even the hashtag either. But I'll put that real hashtag down there somewhere. Hashtag something. You guys know, even when Dad makes a Korean version of the most American food for the 4th of July holiday, Dad doesn't do outros. So that's it. Dad does eat wings though.
For more fun and easy recipes, visit dadgotthis.com.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the damn bell.
I double dog dare you.
Come on, you have to do it. It was a double dog dare. I mean, those are the rules.